If your car is stuck in park, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps carefully to identify and fix the problem. Step 1. Check the brake light switch. Since the brake light switch is a common cause of this issue, start here. 1. Press the brake pedal and see if the brake lights turn on. 2. If they don't, try replacing the brake light switch, usually located near the brake pedal. 3. A temporary workaround is to press the brake pedal harder or multiple times while trying to shift. Step 2. Inspect and replace the shift lock. A blown fuse can disable the shift interlock system, preventing the car from shifting out of park. 1. Locate the fuse box, refer to your car's manual. 2. Find the fuse labeled shift lock or brake light. 3. Replace it with a fuse of the same amperage if it's blown. Step 3. Use the shift lock override. Most vehicles have a shift lock override that allows you to bypass the system manually. How to use it? 1. Locate the shift lock override slot, usually near the gear shifter. 2. Insert a key, screwdriver, or similar tool into the slot while pressing the brake pedal. 3. Try shifting the gear lever to neutral. Step 4. Check the car battery. A dead battery can prevent the shift lock from disengaging. 1. If your battery is weak, try jump-starting the car. 2. If the battery is completely dead, replacing it may solve the issue. Step 5. Release transmission pressure if parked on a hill. If your car is on an incline, pressure on the transmission might be preventing the shifter from moving. 1. Engage the parking brake firmly. 2. Try rocking the car gently forward and backward. 3. Press the brake pedal and try shifting again. Step 6. Inspect the shift interlock solenoid. If the shift interlock solenoid has failed, it may need replacement. 1. If you don't hear a clicking noise when pressing the brake, the solenoid might be bad. 2. This repair may require professional assistance. Step 7. Check for obstructions or damage in the shifter mechanism. Debris, spilled drinks, or damaged components can jam the shifter. 1. Inspect the shifter for obstructions. 2. If the shifter moves but feels stuck, it may need lubrication or repair. When to call a mechanic? You've tried all the above steps and the car still won't shift out of park. It may indicate a deeper issue such as 1. Transmission failure. 2. Wiring problems. 3. A faulty ECM, engine control module. In such cases, it's best to contact one of the professional mechanic at Rice Tire to diagnose and fix the issue. To avoid getting stuck in park again, follow these maintenance tips. Regularly check the brake light switch and shift interlock system. Keep the battery in good condition. Avoid parking on steep inclines without using the parking brake. Keep the gear shifter area clean and free from debris. Final thoughts. Being stuck in park can be frustrating, but with the right troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve the issue quickly. Start by checking the brake light switch, fuse, and battery, then use the shift lock override if needed. If the problem persists, bring your car to the professionals at Rice Tire to inspect your transmission or shift interlock system. We're always happy to help. By following these steps, you can get your car moving again and prevent future occurrences of this issue.